focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another Sunday reset of mine. We're starting off with a little fake wake up scene, and I'm just gonna chill in bed for about 30 minutes, scrolling on my phone, checking social media and my messages. And please excuse how wrinkly my sheets are. They're atrocious, but they're coming off anyway because it's time to wash them. I wash them once a week, and Sunday is the best day for me to do that, so that's what I'm doing here. I wanted to eat pretty healthy today, so instead of coffee with 3 cups of sugar in it, I'm just having lemon ginger tea with honey. I think it has caffeine in it, so it's also a good way to get some energy. And also, I think you're supposed to wait like an hour after you wake up to drink caffeine to make it more effective or something like that. But while I do my skincare, I'm going to put on the Janae Aiko Alive and Well mantra. I love this video. It calms me down so much and helps keep me present. And I'm also going to light a candle and start my morning skincare. I'm starting off by washing my hands, which you guys all should be doing before you touch your face so you don't transfer all the bacteria and break out. I still get acne either way, but this helps a little bit. So yeah, my skin has been looking so good lately, and I feel like I owe it to my esthetician because I haven't had a serious breakout since I've been seeing her. So I've had 2 facials so far, and I get the LED light treatment, and it's supposed to kill bacteria that causes acne. So I feel like it's really been working because I haven't broke out as bad, and my skin just looks so much brighter and clear, and I'm really happy with it right now. So after I wash my face, I wash my lashes, put on a pore strip on my nose, and then while the pore strip dries, I put on a stress relief mask, and I'm drying my eyelashes and just letting everything dry together. I took the pore strip off after like 10 minutes, and it kind of hurt only because it got stuck to my nose ring, and I low-key feel like it didn't do anything. I don't know if that's because I didn't have that many backed up pores or anything in my nose, but there wasn't really anything on the strip, so I don't know. I can't really say like if it works or not, but let me know if y'all like using these. It didn't really do much for me. So I'm just finishing up with toner, moisturizers, eye cream, rosehip oil for my scarring, some lip oil, and sunscreen. I also brush my teeth, but I just can't deal with the toothbrushing footage. It's so awkward to me. But that was pretty much it for my morning skincare routine. All right, so I'm getting braids at the end of this week, and I'm so excited, but I wanted to pamper my hair one more time before all my hair is tucked away. So first I'm going in with a pre-shampoo oil treatment. I'm going to leave it in for a few hours, and I'm just applying the oil pretty heavily to my scalp, and then I'm going to massage it in to get the blood flowing and also drag it down to my ends to make sure they're hydrated. And I'm also going to brush my hair for about 5 minutes just to circulate blood flow and just further help the oil get down to my ends. Next up is breakfast, and I kept it simple and light today. I'm just making a protein smoothie. If y'all want to screenshot what I used, feel free, but I added about a cup of frozen strawberries, 1 stick of frozen acai, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 scoop of Greek yogurt, 2 scoops of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few almonds. I did put a lot in there, but it was still quick and easy and definitely worth it because it was so good. And I got a new blender, and it just blends everything to perfection. The consistency was perfect. So yeah, that was my little breakfast for today. And next up, I'm trying something new for hair care. So I wanted to go back to my DIY hair days and make something DIY. So I decided to make rosemary water. Right now my edges are completely gone. Like, not even my edges, but where I did my curtain bangs, the whole bang is gone, you guys. I've been tearing my hair up. So I was manipulating them and using heat like every single day, so they literally broke off. So I'm wanting to see if rosemary water is going to help my hair grow a little bit, especially in that area. So I just made that really quick and put it aside to steep for a couple of hours. Next, I'm making my to-do list for the day. I usually write it in my phone or iPad like you guys have seen, but I've been trying to actually make the effort to write it out on paper and see if that's going to make me a little more efficient. I don't know if it's helping just yet, but I'm trying to make it really cute so that it's fun to do and aesthetically pleasing, of course. So I'm just writing out my to-do list just so I know what I need to accomplish for the day. Once the rosemary water is finished, I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle and store it in the fridge. I think it can last in the fridge for up to a week, or you can freeze it to make it last longer. But moving on, I decided to clean a couple things in my house while I let the oil sit in my hair for a little bit longer, just so I have some things to do for a couple hours. So I'm just wiping down a few surfaces, putting away my dishes, just really simple things that I need to stay on track with every single day. So that's what I'm doing here, and then after cleaning, I'm going to finish up with hair care. Going back into hair care, today's video is proudly sponsored by Olaplex, and I love Olaplex, so let's talk a little about these amazing products. I'm sure y'all know that I have severe heat damage at this point from years of using consistent heat and just becoming addicted to straightening my hair bi-weekly. I have to keep Olaplex in my hair care rotation. Olaplex has the #1 prestige hair strengthening treatment, shampoo, and conditioner that help build back the disulfide bonds. Disulfide bonds give our hair structure and strength, and when they're broken is when damage starts. So it's perfect for people who suffer from color or heat damage because it uses their patented ingredient, Beast Amino, to rebuild the disulfide bonds in our hair. So to start, I'm going to go in with the Olaplex #3 Hair Perfector. This is a pre-shampoo treatment that strengthens hair from the inside out, and what I like to do is section my hair into 4 and section by rows to make sure my hair is fully saturated and reaping the benefits of this treatment. So I just rake it through with my fingers, starting from my roots, and repeat that on every section. I sometimes like to mix this with the Olaplex #0 for an even stronger treatment. And once my hair is coated generously, I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes max and let it do its thing. And then once I'm in the shower, I'm going to completely rinse out the Olaplex #3 Hair Perfector and follow up with shampoo. The shampoo that I'm using is the Olaplex #4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I love how creamy this shampoo is, and it never leaves my hair dry. Y'all will see my hair actually shines after using this product, which is something you really don't get with shampoo. So I love how healthy this makes my hair feel. I'm just sudsing that up really nice and then making sure to focus the shampoo on my scalp and then drag the rest of the product down my hair. I really can't get over how nourishing of a shampoo this is. I have been using Olaplex products for a really long time now, and I'm just in love with them. They make my hair feel so healthy. So I'm just rinsing out the shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with conditioner. The last step in my wash routine is the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This is one of my favorites. I have like 5 empties of this product, and I've been trying to scrape the product from the bottom, just trying to get the most out of it because I love it so much. But I just saturated my hair with the conditioner, let it sit for 3 minutes, and rinsed it out completely, and my hair was so soft and felt so much healthier than it did before. Olaplex never fails to bring my hair back to life. So as always, y'all know I'll have all the info in the description box, so make sure you check out all the details there, plus a discount code to save you some money off. And I will definitely be using this code on myself to make sure I'm all stocked up on my Olaplex. Alright, so after my shower, I'm going to change into something comfy, of course. I love these pajamas. They're so soft and cute. And the fragrance of the night is Miss Dior. And I'm going to move on to styling my hair. But first, I'm going to spray the rosemary water all over my scalp and hair and massage it in. I'm not sure if I should be using heat right after or letting it dry into my hair naturally. You guys let me know if you have experience with rosemary water. This is my first time using it, so I'm not really 100% sure on the process, but for the sake of time, I did have to go from one step to another. Next, I'm using the Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum to help detangle and protect my hair from the heat it's about to receive. So I'm following up with the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. I was really excited to try this out. It's also a heat protector, and it's going to leave me with some volume. And I'm just going to blow dry my hair like normal. So you guys might be wondering where I went wrong with the heat. And I really think the problem started when I got my Babyliss. It's still my favorite flat iron, like if you need something really heavy duty, but I realized that most heat protectants protect up to 450 degrees, and the Babyliss goes all the way up to 465. And I'm always using the highest heat setting, and then I'm definitely in a destructive hair era. So I had a period when I was straightening it like once a week because I wanted it fresh, but that's just not ideal for my hair, especially in the front because it's so thin there. So I'm giving my hair a much needed break and getting braids so I can kind of grow it back out in peace and leave it alone for a while. Y'all can definitely see here how my bangs look crazy. Like, I don't know what happened. It was like overnight, my bangs were just gone. So, anyways, as we do, we're still gonna flat iron my hair and straighten it one more time before I get braids. So, in my last video, I did mention that I cut my hair and I didn't know if I liked it. It has been a month since I got it cut, and it did grow out a little. So, I'm kind of used to it, and she's really cute from the back, but the front is a little bit short for my liking, so I'll probably let it grow out for a little bit and cut the back shorter to even it out. Once my hair is straight, I'm going in with the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. This can be used before or after heat. It is also a heat protectant, but I like to use it after, and it just adds shine and takes away some frizz. This is another product I've been using for a while, and if you guys follow my TikTok, you know I have a video using mostly Olaplex, so I'm not new to it. I've been a fan for a while, and I just love how healthy my hair looks after. I love the results, so make sure you go check them out using the link in my description. And thank you again to Olaplex for sponsoring today's video. And as you guys can see, my hair, it just looks so soft, bouncy, and shiny, and really pretty. And I haven't felt good about my hair in a month, so I was really excited to do my hair today. And next up is a little bit of a meal prep, but not really. So I'm just making dinner. I wanted something healthy but still really good, so I decided to make a shrimp burrito bowl. And this is a really good meal to meal prep if you're into that, but I don't really like meal prepping just because I like my food fresh. So what I did was just make this for dinner, and I made a lot more than usual, and then I just saved all of the leftovers besides the meat. I cannot stand leftover meat because it gets so dry. I'll still eat it, but I would prefer to just cook the meat every day. And since I have everything else prepped, it's super easy to assemble. and cook, especially because shrimp defrosts and cooks super fast. So I literally had this meal for the next few days for lunch and dinner. So this is a really, really good meal to meal prep if you want to make even more than I did and have food to eat for the week where you don't have to put too much effort into it. And once everything is finished, I just sat down and watched a show and ate my dinner. I did film that part, but I looked a little crazy, so y'all won't be seeing that. But the food was so good. I was craving eating this every day. Yeah, anything rice bowl I will devour. But again, like I said, I'm just storing my leftovers, so this isn't like your normal meal prep where you section everything out. This is more of, I just made a lot of food and I'm gonna eat this for the next few days. So it's super easy. But this is the end of my Sunday reset. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.